Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a short video on a job we had in at the garage. Customer brought their Range Rover in with an AC fault. So it turned out the car actually had two faults. Firstly, that the system had a gas leak, air leak, whatever you want to call it. So it had no pressure left in the system. We diagnosed that quite simply to the condenser at the front, had a small bit of corrosion pinhole in it so we changed the condenser, pressurised the system, went to test it, and we found that the compressor, although to look at, all seemed to be working. The clutch was engaging, turning the compressor as it should do from the outside. When the clutch was in and the engine running, the compressor was still not making any pressure in the system at all. So we stripped it off and pulled it back out. And on the end of the compressor we found here, this is what we call the pressure regulating solenoid. Has the job of, obviously the compressor's turning at a set speed to the car. This regulates how much pressure the system gets, how much the gas gets drawn through the system. So we stripped all this out. Usually a circlip holding this in. Obviously I've taken it out for the purpose of the video. And if we look a wee bit closer here, this middle ring here should have a little black plastic gauze round about it. Just to stop all the any debris that happens to get into the system, just to stop it going through this solenoid. And these bits here aren't actually dirt. This is the remains of said gauze. As you can see, it's plastic that's obviously been molten and then drawn through the system at pressure and made quite some mess. So this solenoid's job, as I said to you earlier, was to regulate the pressure. My best guess is that the pump's been running extremely hot, melted this plastic gauze, and it's got drawn through here. You can just about see it. I'm not sure how well you'll see it in the video, but you can just about see that middle hole there still choked up with all the plastic. So basically the plastics went in there, went molten, went into that hole, and then jammed all the solenoid up now, so it can't then do its job of regulating the pressure. It's just jammed wide open. Because that's jammed wide open, the compressor's therefore bypassing all the pressures, just bypassing through that valve and not going pressurising the system. It's always good to see the actual cause of the fault rather than, we knew the compressor wasn't working, but it's good to be able to explain to the customer the fault and why it's happened. So obviously we stuck some new parts on the car, pressurised it all up, and customers absolutely delighted to have nice cool AC again. And that's us for the day. So remember, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll try and keep bringing some more interesting stuff. Cheers for now.